So this is my night moisturizer of choice. It's the La Roche-Posay Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream. And I like it at night because it's a really thick and heavy moisturizing cream. And I just feel like at night it gives more time for the skin to absorb it. During the day, I'm applying makeup, I'm walking around sweating. It's not ideal for me during the day. But at night, I just put this on and I just let it just absorb into my skin all night. And it feels really hydrating and it does absorb pretty quickly, but you do feel like a little sticky from the moisturizer on your skin. But I just like it. I feel like when I wake up, my skin is plumper and more hydrated. And then when I do my morning routine and put on my makeup, I feel like my makeup goes on a lot more smoother. Definitely give it a try. This is how it works for my skin. And everybody's skin is different, so it might react differently to yours. Definitely do a patch test on your skin before you put it all over. Me, I would definitely recommend if you have skin like mine or want to give it a try and see just how moisturizing it is, then go for it. Try it and see how it works for you.